Habakran gilat patai kubor Menteri Rang Ba Kejelau Conrad Kongkal Sangma ulong ba kejing kentiau ki kampen roy bagi jiksinai ko hotel ke bahek kan omlong hapok kedon nong Lumpongdeng. Kani ke projek kan long penman aga jaka kaba ke Orchid Resort ke don lupa menta. Kaba ke sarkar kala IY syaka agensi ban penbit penbiang ke rukam pediang kinong jing okai. Menteri Rang Ba ula kular ba Lumpongdeng kan om don kano ke Jingtei ke bapaka ke bapanan kam da ke do bilat ane kinar. Ada dan kam mencnai kena gunu kerja ban penong program an pedan kam tang de kitiar kiba ban pediang da kamariang ko belong siet kenang ban penuet ya kajing long jingman bagi jing tau ba em jang yam. Halo kajing keno baga company ka pomdiang Conrad Kongkal Sangma ul pensyai baga de ka kambian jong ka tok ani kiriu shimet ban pensini udur ya ke sarkar. Ulaban baga tenat kulit keladak ban bishar badlap baga company kampat sedang ya kanu gunu ka kam hangane ke jaka. Menteri Rang Ba ula penpau kejing sosi ba kadang don ke Jingiakhih wala ke sarkar keladak pensyai. Ula kentu Jingiakhih ban on sengap ki kubor lam ler bat banwan cakamat Baneh trelang ba ke sarkar na kebenta ke bah kamiat jong ke jelah. Conrad Kongkal Sangma ula kentu ya barok ke Jingiakhih ban Pynsangeh no e kejing pentut ya ke syong suk syong san. Amal ke sarkar kapet ban penbiang ba kejing sumar kamariang kanong kamat ke bah kamat ya haman laki kampen roy.
Yes, in fact, it's quite unfortunate that they are not satisfied with it because that is the fact of the matter. The fact, as I said, I repeat, the construction is going to take place in the current location where the Orchid Parapani is there. That is where the actual construction of the hotel will take place. It's a lease that has been given to the concerned agency from the government side. So it's a long term lease. And the island is going to be maintained, its ecosystem is going to be maintained, its environment is going to be maintained, and it is going to be a kind of a unique experience for the tourist to be able to go and experience the island. So that's really what the purpose is. As I mentioned, yes, there could be, like before, there were certain temporary infrastructures, some small huts were created earlier with bamboo and natural stuff. That's the kind of stuff, in case tomorrow some event needs to be organized there to give it that special moment. So temporary structures which are mostly going to be natural based without impacting the environment there is going to be done. We have made that clear in our agreement also, and we have communicated again to the concerned companies who are going to be involved in this project, that no permanent construction will be allowed in the island. So I think the matter is quite clear. There is no need for any confusion, and the concerned people who are concerned about this particular aspect, they can be rest assured that no such construction will take place. And we urge them that they should cooperate and they should work. This is for the larger development of tourism in the state. Their concerns have been addressed. Their concerns, in fact, were already addressed. From day one, we've made it very clear that there will not be any construction there. And therefore, there was no issue actually from day one. Even now, there is no issue. So there is no need for any kind of, any kind of protest in the way they are putting it up right now. So we have made it clear that there will be no construction, and we have made it clear from day one, and we still stick to it. There's no, I mean, it's very simple. Their concern was that the entire hotel is going to be made out there. Their concern was that a new building will be constructed. Their concern was that entire trees will be cut, and a complete area will be destroyed and buildings will be made. I've made it clear that there is no such intention. There's no building that's going to be constructed there. The island will remain as it is. So the matter is quite clear. So I don't see any confusion in that. Police has clarified that there was individuals who were involved in it. There's not any. The company was not involved at all. The companies have not even started the work. So there were certain individuals. The police has filed a report. They've given a report to us that there were certain individuals who were there, who were involved in that tree felling. It is not the company. It has nothing to do with the project. So it's very, very clear. And therefore, the citizens, the people, and the concerned individuals should be rest assured that there is no question of damaging the island, and there is no question of any construction of it.